In this video, I'm going to show you how to do Edexcel A-Level Maths, Paper 1 from June 2023, question 13. My name is Sunil Tanner. I'm a tutor and author. I'm available for one-to-one tuition, both online and in person. I live in Buckinghamshire, England. Please like and subscribe. Question 13. On a roller coaster ride, passengers travel in carriages around a track. On the ride, carriages complete multiple circuits of the track, such that the maximum vertical height of the carriage above the ground is 60 metres. A carriage starts a circuit at a vertical height of 2 metres above the ground. The ground is horizontal. The vertical height h of a carriage above the ground, t seconds after the carriage starts the first circuit, is modelled by the equation h is equal to a minus b times t minus 20 squared. Find the complete equation for the model. Okay. Well, we can see here that the highest height is 60 metres. So if t was 20, we'd have 20 minus 20 squared, or 0, times b. So in order for the highest height to be 60 metres, a, let's do it for part a is equal to 60. Now what we can do is we can, we know at time 0 the height is supposed to be 2 metres. So we can say 2 is equal to 60 minus b times minus 20 squared, and then solve for b. So this would be 400b, so we'd get 400b is 60 minus 2 is 58, and then b is 58 divided by 400, which is 0.145. So the complete equation is h is equal to 60 minus 0.145 times t minus 20 squared. Use the model to determine the height of the carriage above the ground when t equals 40. So all we need to do is substitute t equals 40 into that equation. So t equals 40, and we will get h is equal to 60 minus 0.145, 40 minus 20 squared. And we can calculate what that is. So 0.60 minus 0.145 times 20 squared is 2 metres. So it's 2 metres at 40 seconds. In the alternative model, the height h of metres of a carriage above the ground, t seconds after the carriage starts the first circuit, is given by this equation. H is equal to 29 cos of 9t plus alpha plus beta, where 0 is less than alpha, which is less than 360. Alpha and beta are constants. Find the complete equation for the alternative model. Okay, for this one, again, we know the maximum height is 60, and we know cos varies between -1 and +1. So at the highest point, h would be 29 plus beta. So in order to make that 60, beta must be equal to 31. So beta is equal to 31, and then again what we can do is substitute time 0 into that, because we know it's supposed to be 2 metres at time 0. So if we do that, we will get 2 is equal to 29 cos 9 times 0 is 0 of alpha plus 31. So again, we can take off 31 from both sides, divide by 29, and we'll get cos alpha is -1. So alpha has to be 180 degrees. So the complete equation here is h is equal to 29 cos 9t plus 180 plus 31. Part D, it says, given that the carriage moves continuously for 2 minutes, which is 120 seconds, give a reason why the alternative model would be more appropriate. Now we can see here that if we look at the first model, this t minus 20, when it's a very large number, you'll be subtracting a very large number away from a. Remember, a was 60. So you'd actually have a negative height. Whereas in this model, cos can only vary between -1 and +1. So it will go in a periodic or cyclic manner, so that we can have multiple circuits around round the course. So for part D, what we can say is at t equals 120, the first model, and we can substitute that into this equation we had from part A to calculate the height. The height actually comes out to minus 1,390, which is not possible. Whereas the second model, because cos is periodic, allows multiple circuits. And that completes question 13.